In this video, I'm gonna speak to you about the most mind-blowing innovations in the field of AI and ML. Artificial intelligence is like wheel, fire, or in the contemporary world, if I have to say, it's next big thing after internet. Today, AI has become very pervasive in our daily lives and we don't even have slightest of idea about it. However, if I were to select top 5 innovation based on my personal experiences and observation as an industry stakeholder, I would bet my last $2 on the following. Healthcare. The healthcare industry is inundated with variety of data points. Patient records, new diagnosis, drug discovery, dangerous drug interactions require processing of millions of data points. The industry rapidly outpaces the ability for humans to keep it all organized. Thankfully, AI systems for the healthcare industry are already being deployed. To start with, let's talk about Suki, which is a digital assistant for doctors. It starts by helping lift the burden of medical documentation. Suki is personalized for each doctor, gets smarter as they use it, and is easy to implement, integrating with doctors' current electronic health records. AI is used to manage electronic health records, which requires huge time and labor in hospitals across the globe. Natural language processing could be used with video taken during clinical encounters to automatically record and sort patient information for future use. In the long term, AI is ready to unlock the massive potential in the hospital system, and especially one of the areas where deep learning holds the most promise is medical imaging. To further propel the application of AI in medical imaging, NVIDIA recently introduced Clara AI, a toolkit that includes 13 state-of-the-art classification and segmentation AI and software tools built for radiologists. Leading medical institutions around the world are already using Clara platform to put the power of AI into the hands of radiologists and take advantage of the growing ecosystem of researchers and startups. Labeled data is critical to build safe and robust AI, but radiologists' time is too precious to spend 2 hours labeling datasets. The Clara AI assisted annotation capability speeds up the creation of structured datasets, enabling annotations in minutes instead of hours. Now let's talk about logistics. AI has taken a pivotal role in logistics industry. As the world's logistical requirements continue to get even more complex, big data-driven systems have already stepped in to streamline the logistics on a global scale. However, the entire logistic industry will benefit from the continuing rapid development of self-driving AI. Companies like NVIDIA are at the forefront of developing faster and more efficient microchips capable of responding to real-world road conditions. While enterprises like Google and Apple are interested in autonomous vehicles, primarily for transporting employees around their own vast complexes, self-driving vehicles are already seeing an increased presence on public roads. It may be a while until we see an actual delivery service with fully autonomous vehicles, but given how the technology has recently been successfully tested in US, self-driving AI has the potential to eliminate or at least greatly decrease the human error in logistic equation. It all depends on how safe the technology is in practice and not just in theory. Until autonomous vehicle engineers find a way to completely eliminate the potential of lethal accidents due to malfunctioning of self-driving software and or hardware, we may have a long way to go before self-driving fleets can replace the nation's large population of cargo drivers. And even in that aspect of the logistics industry, AI is taking an increasingly active role. Now, the third part is smart home technology. Artificial intelligence may already be in your living room. Smart home technology is now one of the biggest industry, and companies like Amazon, Google, Apple are leading the charge. The world is embracing the virtual assistant to manage everything from our television, lighting, thermostat, home monitoring, food delivery, ordering groceries to queuing up your evening entertainment. AI algorithms are working tirelessly in the background of your daily life. The technology, although seemingly high-tech, is swiftly integrating in the homes and becoming the part of your everyday fabric. Smart home security also stands to benefit from artificial intelligence. The next generation of smart security cameras is utilizing AI and facial recognition technology to start a running index of your home's most common visitors. Unrecognized faces can trigger an alert to your phone, which could be the early warning you need to thwart an intruder. The top home security systems of tomorrow help integrate emerging technologies to one day eliminate the need for human monitoring altogether. Next one is agri-tech. Artificial intelligence is already unlocking agricultural revolution at the time when the world must produce more food using fewer resources. As per a recent report by Intel AI, the world will need to produce 50% more food by 2050. AI can help farmers get more from the land while using resources more sustainably. One farmer saved corn from grasshoppers by using AI to detect a swarm in an unexpected parcel of his field. Think of a scenario where a robotic lens zooms in onto the yellow flower of a tomato seedling. An image of the plant flow into an artificial intelligence algorithm that predicts precisely how long it will take for the blossom to become a ripe tomato, ready for packing, and the produce section of the grocery store. A 20-year-old company growing vegetables on 185 acres between Ontario and Ohio have been researching to know exactly how many tomatoes will be available to sell in the future. Makes the job of sales team easier and directly benefits their bottom line. It's only one example of AI transforming agriculture, an emerging trend that will help spur complete agricultural revolution. Right from detecting pests to predicting what crops will deliver the best return, artificial intelligence can help humanity confront one of its biggest challenges: feeding an additional 2 billion people by 2050. Even as climate change disrupts growing seasons, turns arable land into deserts, and flood once fertile deltas with seawater. Gail Shepard, Vice President and General Manager of Intel AI, says farming is on the cusp of major change. The industry will be transformed by data science and artificial intelligence. Farmers will have the tools to get the most from every acre. And at last, telecom. Artificial intelligence applications have disrupted the way telcos have been operating, optimizing, and providing services to the customer. Today's communication service providers face increasing customer demands for higher quality services and better customer experience. Telcos are addressing these opportunities by leveraging the vast amount of data collected over the years from their massive customer base. Telcos have increasingly put their trust in the power of AI to process and analyze huge volumes of big data culled from devices, networks, mobile applications, geolocations, detailed customer profiles, service uses, and billing data, etc., to extract actionable insights to provide better customer experience and improve operation and increase revenue through new products and services. Network optimization. AI is essential for helping communication service providers build self-optimizing networks where operators have the ability to automatically optimize network quality based on the traffic information based on the region and time zone. AI applications in telecommunication industry use advanced algorithms to look for the patterns within the data, enabling telecoms to both detect and predict network anomalies and allowing operators to proactively fix problems before customers are negatively impacted. Predictive maintenance, AI-driven predictive analytical insights are helping telcos provide better services by utilizing data, sophisticated machine learning algorithms to predict future results based on historical data. This means telcos can use data-driven insights to monitor the state of equipment, predict failure based on patterns, and proactively fix problems with communication hardware such as cell towers, power lines, data center servers, and even set-top box in the consumer's home. Now, I hope this video helps you form an informed perspective on how AI is revolutionizing different aspects of our lives as we are speaking. I'm sure this would further tease your gray cells to pursue artificial intelligence. If you are looking to start a career in AI or machine learning, you can check Manipal ProLearn's postgraduate programs at www.manipalprolearn.com. Thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching. Do like the video and share it, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And check out the exclusive coupon codes for our YouTube learners in the description below, and visit manipalprolearn.com to redeem them.